Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to continue working on part 4 of this building. Let's get started. So in this video, we're going to start by adding doors. So let's click on door and let's use this one. So the preloaded doors, or if you want, we could just go insert and load more family of doors. So you could go here, and then we have different kinds. We have residential, commercial, and those kind of stuff. So you can even just use one of these doors right here or the commercial. Let's use one of this and then click open. I usually just select everything. So just select one at the top and then hold on shift and then click the below so that you highlight everything. And then after that, you can just type in DR, that's door as well, under architecture. And then now we could just start adding the doors. So we have doors right here. And then we're gonna add some doors. We also need to add a door for so let's add a double door, maybe an exterior one, or this one will be good enough. So again, hold on shift and then press OK. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna extend this one, and then I'm gonna click here and then CS, and we're going to add a vestibule going inside like this. I just want it to be parallel, and we could just move it in the center like so. So that's good enough. And then type in DR, we loaded double door. So we could just add this double door right here and then the other one later on. Or just to represent it, we could just add one at the moment. So let's just add one at the moment. Most of the time it should be glassed. So for the time being, let's add that one right there and then right here as well. Just add it here in the middle like so. At least you so that you guys have a visual of what we're trying to do right now. And then here we just need to flip it, so just press your space bar and flip it like that. And we're gonna have stairs right here and then right here as well, but we're gonna flip it on the other side. And then obviously we will need to have some access at the back here. So let's add one right here, here. This is a stair, so we need a door there. This we already have. We need to have going inside like so. for the office. Let's add it right here. And like that. And one more right here. And then right here as well. So basically they get access, and then obviously we have some doors as well here and curtain walls. We have right here, stairs right here, and right here. And then here we could just put it on the other side so that there's no conflict in that. And then after that, I think it's a good way to just add the stairs so that we know the locations. And then obviously we have some uh, entrance for the retail here in front. But that's something that we're gonna do later on, because we're gonna add curtain wall, and those will be curtain doors. So those glass doors. And let's not forget the one for the garbage. So we have a garbage right here, garbage dump. And then we need to import or insert load family, some garage door. I could use this instead. And then dr, and then it's going like that. And then one right here as well. So we have multiple. And one more. And we're just gonna space it out. And then if you guys, I'm not gonna do it, but we're going to have an underground parking, but it's gonna be located right here. But it's not something that I'm not gonna do anymore. And then we could just add probably a garage door right here as well, going inside and outside. So that one is just to represent those. That's why I just added. Okay, so that's going down there. And then here is for the trucks. So let's create a stairs so that everybody is clear where are the stairs are. So it's easier to visualize. So I'm just gonna add from level 1 to level 2 and then just leave everything. I just want it to be equal. So the desired number of riser. So let's do it 18. So 9 each. So now we're gonna choose run. So there's gonna be they're they're gonna let you know how many remaining, how many you created. It's below there. So if you see or zoom in, you will see it much better. So it's saying that I created now 9 and then remaining 9. So don't worry about that. We could edit later on, or we could space it out later on. So it's better to just click finish for now, and then you could just move it around afterwards. And then if you want to edit the spacing, click on edit stairs, and then you could move this one, and then or move this one as well. So that's something that you could do after you finish. So you can even extend everything and extend the landing as well. So for me, I'm happy with what I did. Um, we have 1000 right here. We could just put it as 1500. So click on finish again, and then that's when you move it. Okay. Now I'm just gonna copy this. So Control C, and then here I could just add it on this. RO is rotate. So let's rotate it 90 degrees. And then here we're gonna give it more space, obviously. And then we're going to edit this. We're just gonna put it at 1000. Click finish again before moving it or spacing it out. Obviously, we need more space here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull this back like that. So we could just unjoin this and then just extend this one a bit. CS and then TR, and then just connect it again. Just that simple. And then here we're just gonna click it, CS, and then we could just relocate it right there. And then on the atrium as well, we could just copy and paste what we have. So Control C, and then paste it right here. Click on finish, and then click it again, and then RO, that's to rotate it 90 degrees. You can type it after. Let's add one more on the side, copy, and then just estimate it in the middle like so. And then we're gonna add one here, and one here. So copy, Control C and Control V, and then just rotate this one, RO. And for this one, it's not 90 degrees, so we're just gonna estimate it. I believe 37, 37 degrees. And then here we're going to edit this one because of the landing is too much. So 1000 is more than enough. And then here we just need to space it out like that. And then now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna click it and then click on mirror. And then I'm gonna draw that mirror right here. And then now we have something like that. And then lastly, I'm gonna select that again. You can click on copy, and then we could just add it right there. Click it again, click the rotate right here. What you could do is you could click on place center of rotation. So basically we could move this one right here. So click on place. Let's click it on the corner right here, from here to there. And then rotate it again, place it onto here, and I'm gonna rotate it again. So it's something that and then let's rotate it more. So I'm just estimating it at the moment. And then here, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna extend this more. So what will happen is it's gonna delete it. So now I'm just gonna select the wall again and just extend it a bit like that. So that we have enough. So even though it's sticking around, it's just better to just leave it like that for now and then continue on this, because it's gonna be harder for us to just sketch it out again. So because of the angle, but so far it's looking good like that. And then here it's much better if we could just swing it a bit here and swing it like that, so there's more space like that. And let's not forget the doors right here. Let's add in some doors. This will be acting as mechanical and electrical rooms. And then what we could do is we could be adding the room tag, but let's add some stairs right here as well. So just let's quickly add stairs, and then we're just gonna give it a small landing. So here 8, then some landing, and then another landing, something like that. So just a big stairs in the middle of the grocery, and then one more. Copy, or just mirror it going up and down, aside from the escalator and elevator. So this is something that we could add on the side right here. And then obviously this will be all glass. And then now let's add in room tags. So for now, let's just keep on clicking. And then we're gonna name it afterwards. And then we forgot the stairs right here. So don't worry, we're gonna fix that. And then here, we don't need to add anything right there. So now this will be entrance. Let's all make it capital. And then here, retail 1. Copy it, Control C to copy, and then Control V, and then just erase so that it's easier. This will be 3, 4. We could put this one as a restaurant. Retail 5. Vestibule. We could put this one as main entrance. And obviously this is a vestibule as well. This is grocery. Atrium. Or lobby. This is office. 1. Control A, Control C so that it's easier and faster. Just this is stairs 1. Control C. Stairs 2. Let's move this one right here. Stairs 3. Four, and then 5. This is receiving area. And then here, men's washroom, bathroom. You know, there we go. This is another stairs. This stairs 6. And then here we could just copy this, copy to the corner right there so that you have, and then here what we could do is we could create an area. Oh no, room separator. I'm gonna create a room separator right here. So what it could do is we could create, or we could add in a tag. So as you can see, click on room, and then we could add the tag right here for the garbage. There we go. And then here, another one, room separator, rectangle. And then let's use rectangle so that it's easy. And then here, we could just click on room tag again, compactor. At least everything is marked. What I can do again is add something like here for security. This room is around 2500, would be good enough. And then we could just add security. So that's perfect. We could add this one as well as mechanical room and then electrical room. Then we could just remove this now. And then electrical. So that's good. And then here, corridor. And then I believe we're good with this. We could just add this one, basement parking. Perfect. So I believe everything is good, everything is smart. So thank you for watching and I hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.